Before the news starts, please subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave your opinion below in the comments section. ChildLife, Essentials, Formula 3 Cough Syrup, Alcohol-free, Natural Berry Flavor, 4 fluid ounces, 118.5 milliliters. Product Overview Description. Homeopathic formula with elderberry, wild cherry, bark award-winning supplement, alcohol-free. Uses. Temporarily relieves symptoms of cough including dryness and minor throat and bronchial irritation associated with a common cold. Suggested use. Shake well before use. Children 2 to 4 years of age, 1 teaspoon every 3 hours, or as needed. Children 5 to 11 years of age, 1 to 2 teaspoon every 3 hours, or as needed. Children under 2 years of age, consult your healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients. Drug facts. Active ingredients. Purpose. Globo, Pelargonium sidoides, 1x cough suppressant. Wild cherry bark, Prunus serotina, 1x cough suppressant. European elderberry, Sambucus nigra, 1x cough suppressant. Inactive ingredients: buckwheat honey, elderberry extract, citric acid, USP purified water, natural mixed berry and raspberry flavor, potassium sorbate, stevia, xanthan gum. ChildLife uses only the highest quality ingredients. Gluten-free, casein-free, alcohol-free. Contains no milk, eggs, soy, wheat, yeast, or corn. No artificial colorings, flavorings or sweeteners. Warnings. Do not give this product for persistent or chronic cough such as occurs with asthma or if cough is accompanied by excessive phlegm, mucus, unless directed by a doctor. Stop use and ask doctor if cough persists for more than 1 week, tends to recur, or is accompanied by fever, rash, or persistent headache, as a persistent cough may be a sign of a serious condition. If pregnant or breastfeeding, ask a health professional before use. Keep out of reach of children. In case of overdose, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. Store in a cool, dry place. Tamper resistant, do not use if outer safety seal is broken or missing. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb. Thank you for watching our video. Please support us by sharing this video, so your friends can see it. Give us a thumbs up to this video and leave us a comment below with your opinion on this subject. Thank you.